If you ask any entrepreneur how they were able to attain their level of success, I guarantee none of them will say it happened overnight. Many will tell you that they had to sacrifice some of the things that they love to get where they are now. If you want success, you may have to live a few years like most people won't, so you get to live life like most people can't. Here is our list of the top 10 necessary sacrifices for success. Number 1, time. Sure, you want to become wealthy overnight, which is why get-rich-quick schemes seem so appealing. The hard truth is that anything that seems too good to be true usually is, and you won't achieve anything significant without sacrificing some time. This doesn't mean you can't live a life or spend time doing other essential things, but you may have to give up or decrease the amount of time you spend on activities that aren't making a meaningful contribution to your life goals and aspirations. Activities such as watching television, playing video games, and other hobbies can significantly delay your success in your life. It's important to remember that you're giving up lesser things in pursuit of a higher goal. Success is sacrificing free time today for freedom tomorrow. Time spent on self-improvement or growing a business today will lead to early retirement and a better future. Number 2, sleep. Clocking a few extra hours at night add up exponentially. Sometimes even when your day is very productive, you may need those extra hours at night to get just a little farther ahead. That nighttime peace and quiet can be an extremely productive part of your day. And when you feel the accomplishment of completing a critical task, the lost sleep will feel well worth it. A 90-hour work week isn't necessary for every entrepreneur. In fact, at every level of your business, you can outsource responsibilities to assistants or team members, reducing the number of hours you spend on the company. But as the boss, you will still need to sacrifice sleep, especially if you have to communicate with clients in different time zones or have larger than usual orders or very tight deadlines. Many of the world's top entrepreneurs have shown that building great business and becoming wealthy often boils down to how much effort you invest. Sacrificing sleep, time to time, is one of the many stepping stones to success. Number 3, social life. It is good to unplug from work from time to time to reset and recharge, but if you want to be successful, improving your social life cannot be more important than improving your business. Spending all your free time partying, clubbing, at the movies, or even binge watching at home is going to have a serious negative impact on your success. That free time is vital to make your business improve and grow. Turning down outings with friends and even missing some family events are some of the tough sacrifices that millionaires make before they become millionaires. Some time to yourself is crucial. You wouldn't want to burn out. But if you want to be really successful, self-care should be in reasonable portions, not the bulk of your free time. Number 4, luxury and comfort. You have probably stood behind many millionaires in the grocery line without even knowing it. That's because a secret many successful people have is that they don't waste their money on a flashy lifestyle. All the fancy gadgets and toys you think you can afford should wait. Most of them are nothing but depreciating assets that will result in less money to invest and scale your business. It's okay to treat yourself from time to time, but remember that reaching your desired level of success will be an even greater reward than any item. Want the latest MacBook Pro? Ask yourself if your current computer can last another year. Spending for fun keeps you living paycheck to paycheck. Save the flashy, expensive non-necessities until your success is turning over profits, hand over fist. Number 5, being liked by everyone. Let's face it, not everyone is going to like you, and that's okay. The truth is, on your pursuit to financial freedom, there will be haters and naysayers. Unfortunately, many people who want to become wildly successful often let the opinions of others hinder their progress. Family, friends, and colleagues may label you as dull, stuck up, or self-absorbed because you focus on your business. Having the inner strength to filter out this noise is needed to progress toward your goals. Success isn't defined by what other people say. If you continue to let others tell you what success is, you'll never quite get there. Imagine a friend who is very comfortable working their retail job telling you that you are wasting your time doing research for your potential $1,000,000 idea. At the end of the day, you have to be true to yourself. When you understand that not everyone is going to get you, focusing on your business will be much easier. Number 6, stability. To become successful, many people have had to deal with instability in relationships, time, and finances. Success can be like a Ferris wheel, but the good news is, when the wheel goes down, it comes back up again. If we don't risk instability, we're giving up the chance to make our lives better. The traditional 9-to-5 job is often seen as more secure and stable, but what people often forget is that any job is vulnerable to pay cuts and layoffs. Yes, being a full-time entrepreneur carries a risk, but it also carries unlimited potential. This may mean you need to live below your means, to live off decreased or no salary for a time. But if you ask any successful entrepreneur, they will tell you that they had to take a leap of faith, a well-researched and calculated leap of faith, and that leap can mean sacrificing your stability. Number 7, income. So the biggest sacrifice to your stability is usually your income. For the first few months or even years of your business, you're probably not going to be making much money. This will make living below your means crucial to your success. It might mean you have to cut subscription platforms, takeout, or shopping to shave off as much of the day-to-day as you can to add to your big idea. Also, you might have had family invest in your business and will probably pay them back with any profits before you take for yourself. You will have to sacrifice hard-earned savings to build a company and to ensure short and long-term success. Number 8, health. Maintaining a balanced lifestyle with exercise and diet can become difficult at the best of times, but even more so when you are laser focused on your business. Many entrepreneurs say that they gain a few pounds from sitting behind the computer all day during the startup phase of their business. But what you never want to happen is to completely neglect your health and not live long enough to enjoy your success. It is very important to make sure you think about self-care when you're busy building your dream. Even 5-minute scheduled breaks for stepping outside and staring at the clouds. Make fruit and protein bars readily available for late-night work sessions, and set an alarm every 2 hours to stand up from your computer and stretch. But training for a marathon or trying a huge weight loss plan will probably be on the back burner for a time while you focus on your business. When you're in the critical stages of your business needing your full attention, maybe save the 5K run or the twice-a-day gym visits for later. Number 9, sanity. There are days when you may feel more stressed, tired, and overworked than others. There are days when you may question if what you're doing is really worth it. But deep down, you know it is. You are often tested as you strive toward your goals. Nothing will come easy, so be prepared to deal with temporary setbacks and obstacles. Those are the times you need to prepare as an entrepreneur. Surround yourself with encouraging quotes. Make playlists of people who have overcome great obstacles. Have that one encouraging friend on speed dial. Your sanity will seem to slip away from you when you go down the rabbit hole of building a business, so prepare for it. Remember, many life's most significant undertakings were birthed out of sleepless nights and rigorous challenges. Going through temporary crazy moments and handling them well will ultimately define who you are and make for a lasting life of success. Number 10, pride. You may think to yourself, what will my friends or family think if they see me working at Starbucks? I don't want to be seen taking public transit. People who attain success are willing to make the appropriate sacrifices to realize their dream. You may have the humbling experience of taking an entry-level job to make extra money or downsizing a house or a car, all in the name of growing your business or surviving to keep it afloat. Pride is one of the things that blocks some entrepreneurs from growing. Don't be too proud to ask for help. Ask for a mentor. Hire someone to help where you are weak. In an interview with Success Magazine, Barbara Corcoran of Shark Tank told the story of how she had to swallow her pride and get a day job to keep her business afloat. She was a business owner, but the market was slow, and she had $400,000 in debt with 400 agents to support. Barbara put her business partner in charge of the day-to-day affairs as she got a job to run a sales office in a new condominium. She hated not being the boss, but she swallowed her pride and was able to make $100,000 in 6 months, which eventually saved her business. Don't let pride stop you from getting the help you need to grow your earnings into enormous wealth. James Allen and Maya Angelou sum it up best. Allen said, "He who would accomplish little must sacrifice little. He who would achieve much must sacrifice much. He who would attain highly must sacrifice greatly." Angelou puts it like this: whatever you want to do, if you're going to be great at it, you will have to love it and be able to make sacrifices for it. If you're new to Cerebral Life, consider subscribing to our channel. And if you like this video, let us know in the comments so we can create more content just like it. Thanks for watching Cerebral Life. Learn more and improve your life. See you next time.